How are you today, Ma'am Erica?
I am just fine, sir. Thank you for your concern and thank you for inviting me for this experiment.
Okay. Do you have an idea about Sinopod?
I just heard some information about it, but I think I am not that knowledgeable when it comes to this project.
Well, Sinopod is science in science innovation in a blended learning. Meaning to say, we're going to find ways on how to change the way we teach in order for the children to learn more and be excited in learning the concepts, and of course on this time of blended learning.
Oh, I think it's great, sir. So the students can be motivated when it comes to experimentation and learning new things in our science lessons.
Okay, so do you have an idea on how the price of onion nowadays?
Yes, sir. Nowadays, the market price of onion is a bit more pricey. So, especially in us, being wage earners, so it's a problem.
Oh yeah. Maybe if we can apply genetic engineering on this on the problem of our country, maybe we can lessen the price of the onion.
Yes, I think, sir.
Oh yes. So today we are going to extract a DNA because we know that DNA from the onion, because we know that DNA is very important in the functioning of the cells. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Can we define DNA, ma'am?
So, DNA, sir, it stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. So, it's a polymer which is composed of two polynucleotide chains coiled around each other to produce a double helix structure, just like the intertwined ladder.
Okay, so thank you, ma'am, for defining it. So can we extract DNA from the onion?
Yes, sir, I think.
Okay, so let us try. Today we're going to have an experiment. We're going to extract DNA, onion, and then of course we're going to find out its double helix structure.
Okay, sir, let's do it.
Okay. Okay, so we have, let us start our experiment. First, we have, here are the following materials that we need in our experiment. First, we have the mortar and pestle, and then with a sliced onion on it. Next, we have salt and water. The purpose of this is to break down the DNA.
Have here, sir, the liquid detergent. Am I correct? The purpose of the liquid detergent is to break down the plasma membrane.
Yes, ma'am. Another one is the strainer, that is to separate the solid part to a liquid part of an onion. Then we have the alcohol. This is to clear the visualization of DNA on the disc. Okay, let us start the experiment. Okay, so we have to grind first the onion. Then,
So after grinding, sir, we need to put the liquid.
yes, kindly put it, ma'am. We have to grind it for a few minutes so that we can extract the DNA from the solid part of the onion. Then of course we have to incorporate the salt and the water. Just put some water inside.
So we are going to mix it, sir, with our...
Yes, we're going to mix in our it is already dissolved.
Sir, while putting the solution, do we need to grind it?
Yes, please kindly grind.
So after this one, sir, what is the next step?
Then we're going to put it in a container, and then using the string, we're going to separate the liquid part. We have to make sure that we extract the DNA part of the onion so that we can see it clearly. That's
After that one, sir, what is the next step?
We're going to put the solution to the disc. Here we are. Okay,
And we are going to add the
alcohol so that we can see it clearly. Can we see now the double helix structure?
yes, sir, I think that it is visible already.
Yeah, the white one.
Yes.
Okay, so it's very magnificent, right?
Yes.
And so,
Sir, I have a question.
yes.
Can we alter the genes of the onion so that we can produce more cost-effective onions?
Yeah, definitely. So, shall we say genetic engineering?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So, and of course, if we put a DNA, a good DNA for example, in our local onion production, so we can actually elevate or increase the production of our onions in the Philippines.
Okay, so I hope, sir, that we came up with a brilliant idea.
Yeah, I hope that government officials are watching right now,
Yes.
so that they will have a solution to our problem,
Yes.
right? And so, of course, we can lessen the cost of the onions. And now, of course, are you now interested in doing innovations, ma'am?
I think, sir.
So hopefully we can have more innovations, and more innovation, of course, we will help our country, we will help other people to have better knowledge of what to do regarding the problems in our society.
Okay, so thank you, sir, for inviting me in this magnificent experiment. I learned a lot today, and I learned a lot about Sinobel.
Yeah, welcome, ma'am, and thank you.